Here at astrotalk.com, we have an article entitled Black Zodiac, the dark side of each zodiac sign, posted by Shahid. And Shahid begins, the tyrant Aries. Aries never gets satisfied with anything. The world is not enough for them, as they always want more. They find happiness by making others suffer, and can do anything to satisfy their greed. However, it's a good way to keep yourself motivated. But harming others for your cravings shows your evil side. Aries are very impulsive and impatient when it comes to making decisions. At times they act immaturely. If someone else comes with an idea, they tend to show little interest, even if that person is close to them. They will do what they want to do, whether you like it or not. The fallen demon Taurus. Your past follows you wherever you go. Maybe in your past life you might have faced good and bad times. However, you only seem to recall the bad ones, which might be the reason that failures haunt you every day. Even if Taurus tries to do something good, it turns worse for them. All these failures and bad times teach you a lesson to make yourself strong. However, Black Zodiac suits best for the people falling under the zodiac sign of Taurus. So in other words, the Black Zodiac's going to work out for Taurus, it says here. Taurus is quite materialistic and possessive, and not interested in sharing things with all zodiac signs. These people just want to invest in superficial things, and that is the main reason they are facing failure in their life, despite being one of the most powerful zodiac signs, especially in the Black Zodiac. The Hydra Gemini. The Hydra, or basilisk, denotes fear. You don't want to show your bad side, but situations force you to be cruel and bad sometimes. Black Zodiac suits best for these people because they can be very dangerous. All they need is a provocation. Moreover, they will make you realize what real enmity means. Geminis have different personalities, and it is very difficult to judge such a person. At times they will behave like everything is normal, and within a second, you might see their other face. Be clear regarding your thoughts while talking to a Gemini. The Serpent Cancer. The serpent means a large snake, and it's a symbol of wisdom and charm. Cancer is very cunning, sharp, and sometimes a bit manipulative too. These people are very smart when it comes to gaining the trust of others, or coming into the good books of these people, the good books of these people. However, it completely depends on whether you exploit or value that trust. That's a good point. Cancerians can be seen as very moody people among all astrological zodiac signs. Their imagination just revolves around themselves. I'm Cancer, by the way. These people can easily manipulate you for their own benefit. You need to be very careful while being with Cancer, as a snake might bite you. Thank you for Zacchaeus Hundley for the super chat. Zacchaeus says, hello, Bill, and hello, chat. Zacchaeus Huntley, thank you, sir. Much appreciated. The War Maiden, Leo. War Maiden is a paradox. These people focus on the positive things, but through a negative eye, which makes them quite difficult to understand. They accept the reality and embrace themselves for the hardships that come their way. Or brace themselves. They brace themselves for hardships, not embrace themselves for hardships. Very few can understand the puzzling and conflicting nature of Leo when compared with all other zodiac signs. Leos want attention, and if they feel ignored, they can create problems for themselves as well as others. These people are very charming and lovable. However, you need to be very careful while making friends with Leo, as they can use this nature to get their work done by you in the very smartest way. Thank you, Wampari Nix, for the super chat. Wampari Nix says, yay, I made it. Yes, you're at the top of the show, sir. Thank you for the super chat. Much appreciated. The Maelstrom Virgo. Maelstrom somewhere refers to being dangerous and the most powerful zodiac sign. Virgo is very judgmental and sometimes a bit harsh, too. These people are very dangerous and possessive when it comes to love. Moreover, they become very jealous if someone tries to snatch away the things they love. At times, they might harm you as well. Virgos are quite dramatic and want things to work according to their plan. However, if things do not go their way, they will try their best to make things more difficult and complex. The ravenous Libra. Ravenous is always hungry for things and wants to explore new things in either a good way or a bad way. These people are very energetic and will keep you on your toes all the time. No doubt, they will motivate you, but in a very harsh manner. In other words, we can also say they are more selfish and want to get their work done by others. Libras are a quiet workaholic and spend most of their time preparing things. Moreover, these people look at a wider picture rather than wasting time on the small stuff. However, they like to make others happy and will sometimes forget their own values in order to do this. The poisoned dart Scorpio. If you wonder what my zodiac sign is, it happens to be, writes the author, it is Scorpio. Then your darker traits could be evil as a poisoned dart. The poisoned dart is patient and precise and sometimes very deadly. These people are very manipulative and wait for the perfect time to strike. They will listen carefully to you, and if they find things going against them, they will strike you hard. Once they start an argument, they will not listen to you either, even if you are right. Scorpios can overreact when they are hurt, and they often have a very bad temper. Don't ever try to argue with them, as it will be a complete waste of time. Just wait for them to calm down. The Tempest Sagittarius. Tempest refers to a subtle storm, a wind or tornado. Sagittarius is carefree and wild and does not care anything about coming in its way. It doesn't care about anything coming in its way. Nothing is more important than their desires. Moreover, they will not think before saying anything, and this often ends up hurting those who are near to you. Sometimes people see Sagittarius as rude and offensive. However, these people are pure-hearted and will say at your mouth rather than backbiting you. They are also known to be know-it-alls and can be self-righteous. Will say it at your mouth, in other words, say it to your face, rather than backbiting you. The Leviathan Capricorn. Among all zodiac signs, Leviathan is a large aquatic creature, just like a big whale. There's always some mystery that points toward the dark and sinister of them. These people are very difficult to understand and to deal with. These people will never show their real side and will keep you in a dilemma by mixing things up. Capricorns use others for their own benefit. This can upset their relationships. Moreover, these people love gossiping and talking negatively about others. You need to be very careful while making friends with a Capricorn, as they might betray you without letting you know about it. But they reveal themselves in the end, I believe. The beast Aquarius. Aquarius is considered the master of demons in the black zodiac. These people are very evil and will never let you go ahead of them. These people are emotionless and will try their best to hurt their opponents. However, they are very straightforward, which they consider their real strength. You can also call this their negative strength. Aquarius can sometimes be quick to judge others. This is mostly because they believe themselves to be very smart and logical. Moreover, they love to offer advice to others, even if it is not requested. At times you might find them a little stupid and brainless. Sounds like the type. The sword Pisces, and our last zodiac sign from this article. The sword is a symbol of glory and victory. These people believe in success. and they don't include failure words in their dictionary. These people are very sensible and try to gain profit from every little bit of thing. You can call them selfish or self-centered, as they are more into their own little world. This nature sometimes goes against them, as when people differ in their opinions. Pisces always try to pull you down by portraying your bad image. This can be considered as their strength, but sometimes it shows the dark side and displays their real personality. You have to be mentally very strong when making friends with a Pisces.